Okay, getting ready to open this. Look, it didn't even stick to it. Isn't that nice? Ooh, how pretty. And now, the big event is opening this pan and praying that it doesn't stick. Yes. You know what I probably should do? Just go around one more time with the knife. Sorry. And you know what? I better not eat any because I have to take lactose pills first. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. Why is it doing that? Here, let's do it like this. Come from underneath. Look at that. Wow, nice. Look how beautiful that came out. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at it. Yummy. With the graham cracker crust. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to decide if I even want the strawberries on it. Excuse me. Wasn't sniffling before I came down here. But we're going to put it on. You know what? Since I'm going to be freezing this, maybe we'll put it on after. Because they say it's better to freeze it without the strawberry compote on. Okay, let me get some plates. Here, cut this. Wow. Oh my God, how beautiful. Sorry. It's too good. Oh my God. This is just for us. I wouldn't be doing this. And my daughter's not coming because she's sick. Unfortunately. They couldn't come last week on Easter, and then first the baby got sick and then she got sick. Oh, it's a bummer. Sad. I'm gonna have a small piece because my stomach doesn't deal with milk products good, but I love it. Let me go wipe this off. Be right back. Just here. Be right back. I'm gonna get the plate. Ron, are you having strawberries on yours? Because I can't put it on the whole cake because when you freeze the cheesecake, you can't freeze it with the strawberries on it. I'm gonna put it on each slice. Here we go. And here's the strawberry compote. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna use this little knife. The first cut is always the hardest one to get out, but oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Look at that. Wow. Looks like the bottom kind of stuck a little. It's close. It's the. You know what? I think I had this upside down. The bottom part, it was turned upside down. Oh well. It's still gonna be good. Oh, it's cold down here. Alright, why is it to the end? Get this one. It's a lot better. The first cut always is the hardest one. Kind of sometimes falls apart. Okay. Look at that. Yum. See what I mean? I put the lip upside down. And that's why the crumbs are not coming out right. Hold on, let me go get... I don't know why it's doing that. I wish I didn't have that like that, but there it is. How good that looks. And then we're gonna put a little. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I'm gonna be freezing most of this cake and saving it for when the kids can come. My daughter and them. She's not feeling well. Look at that. Yum. Wow. Now, let me cut this for Ronnie. He wants 2 pieces. I gotta wash my hands. Here goes Ronnie's. Hold on, I need that. Maybe a really sharp knife. That's what I need. Did you hear my stomach? Wow. It's saying, wow, I want some of this. Look at that. Wow. That looks great. Like I said, the first piece always is a little hard to get out. I gotta get him a second piece, and then I'll be freezing it. Cheesecake freezes very well. Doesn't get soggy, just gotta really wrap it good and not put any of the raspberry compote on it. I mean, strawberry compote. Look at that. Whoa, that looks so good. Look at that. Yummy. Wow. That came out perfect. Unbelievable. Well, there's the cheesecake. And it came out, mwah. Perfect. So good. Oh my God. I gotta take my lactose pill before I eat that, so, all right, there it is. Look at that. Perfect cheesecake. It's a big boy, too. It's heavy. Okay. That's that. My homemade cheesecake. And I will put the recipe in the caption. There you go.